This is your old lock. Boring, old, dumb. Your kids are always losing their keys, and we sometimes have our hands full. This is Lockly, an award-winning smart lock packed with the latest features in convenience and security. It's simple to install and comes in different versions, whether it's a deadbolt or latch lock, and fits both right swing and left swing doors. When you close the door behind you, Lockly can be programmed to auto-lock itself. When you're out and about, simply send your cleaner a temporary e-key for access. It can be for a single access or access for an entire month. Push notifications tell you when your doors get opened and when they closed, so you know exactly when people come and go. Customize your dates and times, and send guests access codes to be used, even without them downloading an app. So like Shelby, your next-door neighbor can come borrow some milk. When uninvited strangers attempt to guess the code to your door, you're protected by PIN Genie, an advanced security software that shuffles the numbers displayed on the screen every time someone approaches the lock. While your access codes don't change, the location of the numbers do. And because there are 3 numbers in each button, it's nearly impossible to guess the correct code before the lock disables the screen due to incorrect guesses. When you have family or guests visiting, and there's no one home to let them in, simply unlock the door with our app from anywhere in the world. We're all about convenience, so we have an advanced fingerprint sensor that recognizes up to 99 fingerprints and grants access within seconds. From securing families, rentals, and businesses, Lockly comes in deadbolt, latch, and Mortise editions with various finishes. At Lockly, we're all about creating new memories so you can enjoy time with those that matter most. Alexa, lock my front door. Lockly, security redefined.
Introducing UltraLock U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi. Convenience and security maximized. With features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, smart auto lock that will trigger only when your door is closed, and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi is modern home security, a smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors like Airbnb guests temporary access codes. And with built-in Wi-Fi, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered from anywhere you are. UltraLock U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and a dynamic key make every single data transfer secure, so you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use the backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi with the rest of your smart home, and use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
UltraLock U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi. Convenience and security maximized.
My door is always open. This is what we tell our loved ones, the people in our lives who are forever welcome in our homes. Now it truly can be, and you don't have to change a thing. Meet the Level Lock, the world's first invisible smart lock designed to fit seamlessly inside your door. thoughtfully crafted for effortless installation and battery replacement, and engineered from the ground up to deliver efficiency, reliability, and quality you can trust. The Level Lock invisibly offers you and your loved ones new opportunities to live in the moment.
Unlock the front door.
To truly invite people in. To have a door that's always open. Same keys, same look, same you, and a world of new ways to say, welcome home.
We have everything? Really? Where's your sister?
Getting out of the house isn't always easy, but the Schlage Encode Plus Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt
We all set?
makes it easier.
Slippers? Really? Well, she can't wear those.
You can lock and unlock the door with your smartphone from anywhere, including your driveway.
My headphones!
You can assign codes to family and trusted visitors, and receive optional notifications when they're used. And with Apple Home Keys, simply tap to unlock using your iPhone or Apple Watch.
Now do we have everything?
The Schlage Encode Plus Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt makes getting in and out of your home a little easier.
Did you lock the door? I got it.
Trust your home to Schlage.